How do Roblox Lua functions use closures? Imagine you are building a game in Roblox and want your scripts to remember certain information even after they finish running. That's where closures come into play. Closures are a special kind of function that keeps hold of variables from the environment where they were created. Think of it like a little memory that the function carries around. When you write a function inside another function, the inner function can access the outer function's variables. Even if the outer function is done, the inner function still remembers those variables. For example, if you create a function that sets a local variable and then returns another function that uses that variable, calling the second function later will still have access to that original variable. This is the core idea of closures. In Roblox development, closures are super helpful for keeping data private. You can hide variables inside a function so they are not accessible from outside, which helps keep your code clean and organized. Closures are also used when connecting functions to game events. For instance, when you connect a function to a parts touched event, you can use a closure to remember which specific object was touched. This way, when the event triggers, the function still knows the context it was created in. Closures make it easy to create reusable code patterns. You can make factory functions that generate other functions with preset settings, saving you time and effort. Another great use of closures is to keep track of data across multiple calls. For example, you can create a counter that remembers how many times it has been called without needing global variables. Here is a simple example. You define a function called createCounter. Inside it, you set a local variable called count to 0. Then, you return an anonymous function that increases count by 1 and returns the new value. When you call this returned function repeatedly, it keeps track of the count because it remembers the local variable from the outer function. This is how closures work in Roblox Lua. They help you write cleaner, more modular, and more flexible code. They are especially useful in game scripting because they let you respond to events with context-specific information. Understanding closures allows you to build better systems for your Roblox games, whether you are making simple scripts or complex modules. They are a powerful tool that makes your code smarter and more efficient.